What's going on, guys? I'm going to try complete this differential equation in under 7 minutes. And as always, if I don't get that, make sure to dislike the video. Alright? So 7 marks, 7 minutes, 3, 2, 1, let's crack on. So dy by dx, okay, firstly we need to separate the variables. So dy e to the negative 3y dy is going to equal to sine squared 2x dx. Okay, so if we integrate these now, e to the negative 3y dy is equal to the integral sine squared 2x dx, right? Brilliant. So therefore, if we integrate left hand side, we get e to the negative 3y over negative 3 is going to equal what? Well, what do we know? We know that sine squared, sine squared theta is going to equal 1 minus cos 2 theta, over 2. Right, so therefore sine squared 2x is going to equal 1 minus cos 4x over 2. Okay, 6 minutes. So we therefore have over here 1 minus cos 4x over 2 dx, right? So what do we have? Well, what we've got then is negative e negative 3y 3 is going to equal x over 2 minus sine 4x. Okay, then you divide by 4, so we've got 8 here plus c. Now, what do we know? Y equals 0 and x equals 0. So y equals 0 and x equals 0. So if we set y equals 0, x equals 0, okay, we can therefore say that we get so therefore c is equal to negative a third. Therefore, we've got negative e to the negative 3y over 3 is equal to x over 2 minus sine 4x over 8 minus a third. Okay, so we got this. Okay, now when x equals a half, okay, so when x equals a half, say negative e to negative 3y over 3 is going to equal a quarter minus sine 2 over 8, okay, minus a third, right? And then what we've got from here is 3.5 minutes. What if we multiply? That's 3 quarters. 3 over 8 sine 2 minus 1. Okay. Negative 3y is therefore equal to ln let me just think. Well, we can probably rationalize the denominator here, so we can make that ln of a quarter plus 3/8 sine 2. Okay, so therefore y is equal to negative a third ln a quarter plus 3/8 sine 2. Okay, if I type that in the calculator here, So y, that's going to give me 0.175. Okay, so done. 2 minutes. So just in terms of how this looks, okay, again, very simple. Separate the variables, do that. Next, plug in our base case over here. Next, we're going to find y when x equals a half. And that's done. And that's it.